Zoeshaaa.
Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Zoeshaaa, and I'm here back again with me. Longing for Nostalgia, aka Love Crimes. So we are doing, obviously by the title, the Smash or Pass. I've always wanted to do this video, so I'm really excited. Yes. We're going to be doing both Jamaican artists, as well as, you know, some regular Americano, Canadian
celebrities,
foreign celebrities. Okay, so we're gonna give you guys the best of both worlds. Yes. Let's start off with the foreigners first. Let's start off with the foreigners. So not whole wait for the look at Jamaicans ones. Them, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna disclaimer: we are both taken.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
thank you for saying that.
Thank you. So you know when I say smash, I'm not really gonna smash. You know, I only one smash me a smash right now, and for the rest of my life, you understand? Same thing with you. Only one smarty, we are smash. That's all. But this is just, you know, for the fun of it and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? All right. So. Got our cards here, you know what I'm saying? Smash or pass. What are we gonna do? Alright, so the first person. Let me just get my card ready because we already know what we are doing without somebody here. Think about, oh god. Okay, Chris Brown. I'm smashing him. Smash. I am smashing Christopher Maurice Brown. I don't care if I can't stay there so because due to all my excitement. Christopher Maurice Brown, smash!
Who would pass Chris Brown?
Smash! Blonde hair and all, smashing.
I don't know about that, but
no, I'm smashing.
those ramen noodles.
Yo, you guys, I have been in love with Chris Brown from Chris Brown started singing. Like, yo, I don't know your name, but excuse me, like, that's really cool. Like, okay. Smash.
I can't turn down Chris Brown. Who can?
Like,
That
you'd be
man
an
is
idiot.
That man is fine.
You're an idiot.
He can dance.
Okay.
Right.
Next one. Michael B. Jordan. Give him a little one, you know, I'll just turn over a little bit and just be like, yeah.
Black Panther?
I haven't even watched that yet.
That movie had me sweating.
I pray our men are not watching this video, I swear.
That man is fun.
Okay? I'm dying. Okay, so yes, smash Michael B. Jordan. Okay, the next one on the list is Safari.
That nigga is corny. Come on now.
No, but have you seen what he's packing with?
Okay, he's fine.
No. I will lights off. Me, I try it. Me, I try it. But I try it. If Erica Mena can't manage it, me must can manage it too. Yeah. Me, I'm trying it. Trying it. I mean, not now. You know, I'm married. You know what I'm saying? But you know. Have you guys seen Safari?
I've seen.
Y'all seen this eggplant, right? Y'all seen it? Okay. Just say it. Just say it. You know what I'm saying? All right. Jay-Z?
No, I can't. There's no way. There is no way. I can't.
Not at all. Like,
especially with that hair he has going on right now. Like, what is that?
What are?
No. Sorry.
When I see him, I see Blue Ivy.
Yes.
Like
100%.
Ew.
Some sources going out their DNA though, because one moment she looks just like Beyonce, and then she looks like just like Jay-Z.
Really? For me, as from she was born, all I seen was just Jay-Z. Like,
I don't know. Sometimes I see mom.
She's a beautiful little girl. Don't get me wrong, but she just looks like her daddy.
Strong.
Strong.
All the kids have the nose.
Oh my god! I don't really follow up with them. I'm not really in Beyonce.
No, I don't like Beyonce. Point blank. Don't get at me, but I'm not a fan.
Yeah, don't come for us, Beehive. We're just saying. Next, Kanye West.
sorry.
Yeah, I'm a pass on the West.
There's no way. There's something up with him. He's not right.
I would like to talk to him. You know, I would like to talk to him, you know, whatever, but smashing wise,
No.
I'll pass. I'll wait. I'll wait.
There's no way.
I'll wait. Ooh.
Ready.
Will Smith.
Oh, 100 with the
Will
beard and all. With the gray
With
hair.
the grays and all, okay?
That man
Will
is fine.
Smith?
Okay?
He was a fine teenager. He was a fine 20-year-old. He was a fine ass 30-year-old. He's a fine grandpa. Like,
Yes,
he is
man.
just fine.
He's fine. I'm not.
Oh my God, he's fine. He's woke. Like, he loves his women. Like, yes.
I just like, what?
Oh my God.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just keep it.
Oh,
Idris
you ready?
Elba. Oh,
100%. 100%. He can act. He can rap, voice, whatever you want to call it.
in it. Like, in it. Like, oh my God, the accents alone when they open up his mouth and just the chocolate. English chocolate. Oh, English toffee chocolate. Whoa. Yeah. Could I get it? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Listen.
Go right back to Sunday.
His wife.
Sorry for she, but it would have born you with me. Like, it would have born you with me because, hello, Idris Elba.
That man.
Remember Google that one year? Hold up. No, I don't think I need to. He was in which movie? Channing Tatum?
Yes.
Was he in a dancing movie?
Yeah. Step Up. He
Nah.
was in Magic Mike. What? That is the finest white man I've ever seen in
I
my
don't know.
life.
I'm just scared of pink.
Listen,
Buddy.
when you put
Scared
it
of
that
it.
way.
I'm scared of it.
He's the closest white man you can get to being black, okay?
Ooh.
He's the only person that I will cross the Red Sea for if I were to experience that side. That man
Whoa.
is fine, okay? Magic Mike.
I don't even think I got through that movie.
I was waiting for the second one just to see the body.
Oh my gosh. Alright, me pass. She will smash.
That man.
Next one, Drake.
Um,
I'll pass on Drake. Drake just seems like him too easy for gets, and then like him just chat too much.
Exactly.
Like it's a turn off.
He's like a good-looking young man.
Yeah, but I don't think I would smash him.
No, definitely not.
And he's a Toronto man. It's like
Yeah, like 100% waste.
waste. I just heard how he dissed his baby mom.
Oh, he did?
Yeah, in his song, I was like,
Oh, no, sir. Sorry.
And you hiding your son from the world? Bye. Which man hides their child? Bye. Bye. Bye.
Yeah, no, I'm okay.
This white guy could get it. Justin Timberlake? Smash. I would smash Justin Timberlake. Justin Timberlake is fine.
I mean, I was obsessed with him as a child.
dang.
But like now, I don't know. He's not aging too well.
Okay.
He's looking a little old.
Yeah, I'll take. Well, you know, they don't really.
Yes, they don't age
you
well.
know.
But.
Let's talk about Justin Timberlake, like early 2000s.
Okay,
late
then
90s.
we could have a chance. But right now, sir,
That's my
no
vision.
movie, dog.
That's my vision. Oh my God. All right. Okay. Next one, Jamie Foxx.
He can get it.
I would do it.
He can get it.
Because Jamie Foxx.
And his voice.
Oh my
God, you took your time with that one.
God. I don't know. There's just something about his complexion.
Yes.
Like,
Yes.
Like his skin just seemed. Oh my God. Like it's.
He's so underrated. And
Oh my God. And unproblematic.
Yeah.
Like, you.
No.
Oh my God.
That man. Yeah. Yes, Jamie Foxx. 100%. Yes.
Baby, if you're watching this, holler at me. just holler.
Yes, Jamie
Denzel Washington. No, I love him,
Yeah, but
but it's like my dad. Like I couldn't.
Yeah. No,
I couldn't.
That way?
Yeah, you know, like I could not. Like, but don't get me wrong. Like for an old man, he could definitely get it.
Yeah.
But not for me.
No.
I'm a pass on that.
No.
I'm a pass. Common.
Oh, 100%. Yes. 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 Yes.
Get it, okay?
You guys already know what I'm gonna say. That man is fine.
Get it. Hello? Which way do you want it? Oh, you want from head top? Like, oh, you want it? Like, get it. He's another one who's like underrated.
Yes. Yes. Very. His music is so good.
God.
That bass. That body.
Oh my God. Common is just.
He's fine.
Not common enough. Like,
No.
he's just. Oh my God.
I don't know. He's different.
Oh, I used to love him. Oh my God. Common.
Apparently he's dating Solange. I don't know
I
how true that
know.
is. She is a lucky woman.
I seen that
If it is, they both have that vibe. And I feel like
Solange is just like that.
I
Like,
just feel like it would be a good match.
oh my God. If so, I'm for it. Because that's my girl. I love her.
100%.
Okay. Offset.
Offset.
Woo, woo, woo.
No, that man is corny. No.
I like him and his wife together.
Yes.
But
No,
let them stay together.
no, they're good for each other.
Yeah, definitely.
You're not gonna be that trash and then cheat on me and then come back to me
Okay.
and still be trash. Pass.
Oh my God.
Quavo though, if we were to Quavo,
Okay.
that
He? Yes. I should have put him instead
he's
of Offset.
beautiful.
Oh
But you know
God.
what? He can get it. Quavo.
Okay.
Takeout. I don't know
No.
about Takeout. With those eyes.
Quavo?
I don't know.
Quavo, yes. 50 Cent. Oh.
What?
Pass.
Okay.
Pass. His attitude turns me off. He's team too much.
Okay, yes.
No, he's team like too much. He has a beautiful smile.
Yes.
Beautiful teeth.
Beautiful body. He is so buff.
That is true.
Yes.
But he's even going too much like one girl. Like he's just under everybody's everything.
But as
He's
of
out-
lately, I don't know what's getting to him, but he's doing a lot.
Team too much. Like way too much. Like you be getting at everybody.
If their hairline
Like
is
take
too
care of your
far.
child. Okay? Yeah, take care of your child and keep it moving. Okay? Oh my God. Okay, and last for the foreigners, the baby. Let me Google.
He needs to get those grills off his
Let me
teeth.
just Google him again one more time. Let me just see if I can see a really good image for the baby. Because that
He's
baby
short,
there-
and I don't like short men, but like he's cute. But those teeth.
Oh, he's
sir?
short?
Yeah, he's
Oh.
Mr. Kirk is short. I'm not feeling those grills, honey. I thought it was Moneybag Yo that got his grills off.
Oh.
Moneybag Yo with the teeth. Whoa.
But the baby's the one that always be like helping people out and stuff, right?
And also
Like
slapping women for shining lights in his face. So,
pass. Never mind. Yeah, he is the one that slaps women. Pass. Bye. Okay.
yeah. This can be interesting.
All right, for the yachty people that know, I feel what's up. Yes. What we say? Want to know who first on the list, right? Want to know who is first on the list? All right, because I'm sensing smashing. Like, come, Benzetta. I don't even know if that's what the sign is.
Are you kidding me?
But I'm smashing. Shit. Listen, all he has to say is oosh, and I'm there. I'm there. Tell me where.
He-
Where? What time? Who? How do I get to you?
I don't know what it is. If it's the hair now.
Yo.
Plus he's taller now, and I'm like.
And his eyeballs are regular color now.
And I'm like, that too. Even with the black eyeballs, I was like, yes.
Oh
God.
my
He was
gosh.
just cute. He had a cute little face.
Yes, and he's just raw.
Yes.
He's just raw and dirty. I'm like it. Like, me just like it.
Yes.
Like, you know them way that it's like, yes, baby. Like, yes. Just be raw.
He can get it.
Get it. Million times. Sorry, baby, but. Oh. Okay?
Wow.
Oh my God.
What a man.
What a man, what a man, what a man, what a mighty good man, okay? Okay?
Yes.
When I'm coming down below, you know what I get to alkaline, because I know when I feel the same like how me feel. I know that. I know, and I'm on dear gym, I'm still on talk about how on the alkaline body smile and something. I mean, I'm see for myself, yeah? I see it for myself. I can't believe everything what I say because I'm probably going to never wife on up so upset. Can't believe everything on the ear for dear dream.
You heard it here first.
Alkaline, smash.
100%.
Oh my God, 1,000%. Bombard.
Yeah.
All right, next. Popcorn.
Okay, I'm just
Okay.
gonna have to do this. I'm on the fence about that one. But his music though.
His music is bomb. Popcorn shot.
Yeah.
In shot, we can't do it
He
shot,
has a
man.
nice smile though.
Yeah, but you know one thing that really it's just, if ever I'll come up with some foolish terms, and it's just like talking to him would I be so irritated?
He beats around the bush. He's just like this.
No. I have to hear it too much from my husband because that's my husband's #1 artist. No. Too close to the camp. Can't do it. Pass. Not to pass my popcorn.
I'm on the fence.
I love your music, sir. I love it, but I can't just smash Vendetta and I smash Unruly same time. No. I have to pick one. Pass. I pass my popcorn. I love him.
I'm on the fence, guys.
I love him. But no.
Right.
No for me.
Alright. Who is this now, God?
Governor.
I just looked at his face today and I'm like, you know what? The upfront video kind of had me. I was like, you're kind of cute though.
Governor is so...
And his voice is a little deep. and
Yo.
raspy.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Governor could get it.
Smash.
He could get it.
Smash.
I had the biggest crush on Governor, you guys. The biggest crush. Governor?
Smash.
My name is Zoe Brown. If you... Just kidding. Yeah. Next on the list, Massacre. Massacre could get it too.
Yes.
Massacre could get it too. I
He's
like him
kinda
braid.
cute.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
like him braid.
The
Yeah,
hair,
I'm
it's
clean
always
my hair. Always, yeah. Always. Would I just sit on and clean my hair the whole time? Baby, do you want me plait hair for you? Me re-plait it, okay? Yeah. Could I get it?
But the hair, his hair is always neat.
Nice.
Always neat.
That's how one thing about some Jamaican
Yeah.
men, them just
Neat.
keep themselves very, very good.
Yes.
Yeah. Could I get it?
Mm-hmm.
Movado.
Okay. No. It's a no for me.
I love him as an artist.
Yes,
Don't
not
get
as
me
a
wrong,
man.
but I love him as this girl said not as a man.
Okay.
Oh my god. As a girl, baby.
Good.
Not as a man.
I'm alright.
Okay, so yeah, pass. Sorry. Ooh. Oh wait. Oh, Vibes Cartel.
Okay, yeah. I had to think about it. I don't know why.
No, I'm sorry, I can't get past your face.
Yeah.
No offense. I can't
Yeah.
do it.
no.
And the way him look now,
Oh god.
I want to see Vibes Cartel 2020.
He's a little rough.
Little. Girl, stop being nice.
He's rough.
No offense, don't come for me.
Yeah.
I will listen to him as an artist,
Yes.
me big him up on all these things, but smashing.
Mm-mm.
Pass. I don't, yeah. 100 stab.
Your hundred stab, 1,000 joke.
I can't. I'm done. No, I'm done. We smashing.
You heard it.
100 stab, 1,000 joke. Okay, I'm done. Jamil.
He's cute. He's a little cute boy. He's cute.
Girl, are you my love? No one that
His hair.
Oh my
I
God.
have a thing for neat dress.
Listen, his mouth, like his lips, like
Yeah.
even when he's not smiling, like he just has this thing.
He's cute.
That's another one of my crushes.
He's cute.
Yo, I'll sit down and look at his picture for hours. Like, oh my God, Jamil cute, bad.
He's cute.
Him nice, bad. Him just nice, bad. And you not really say nothing about him. Him just did it. You're not doing thing. Him just nice,
His
bad.
music too. Oh man, his music is good.
Nice, bad. I want nice, clean young boy.
Yes.
Nice,
Yes.
bad. Jesus, no man.
Yes.
Chronic law.
Sir, your music is good, bro.
Me can't deal with no gun, man. Sorry, me can't deal with no gun, man. Me afraid. Me very, very afraid. I can't, yeah? I can't do it, yeah? No, I can't. And then let's stay within the camp, yeah? Squash. No. If don't have a neck. Me can't deal with nobody without having a neck. Sorry. I can't do it. I can't do it, but me can't see it. Oh no, me can't see it. No offense. Go to pan squash. Squash. Not the vegetables.
Might as well be one if he has no neck.
You want to see when I'm sitting on a chair. Just the head, shoulders, knees and toes.
No. Oh God. This is him for real.
Oh!
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, your pass. I mean, your smash.
Yes.
Your smash. Who does he kind of remind me of?
Such a cute Clark.
Yeah.
Oh, you're a young boy.
You're cute. Yeah.
Yeah.
What could I get it?
Yeah.
Him could I get it?
Yes.
One time, just once.
Yeah.
That's it. One time, that's
I've
it.
never heard of him though. What song did he sing?
How does it go?
Okay, I've heard the song.
Yeah.
Okay. He sounds like an old man.
Yes, he has like an Idonia kind of
Yeah,
vibe.
yeah.
He even kind of looks like him. That's what I'm
Yeah,
saying.
a little.
He kind of looks like
A
yeah.
little black.
Yeah. So yeah.
Yeah.
What I coulda get it. Him coulda get it. Yeah. Oh, next conscience. Yeah. Him.
I'm sorry.
Him coulda get it.
Wifey.
Sorry. Well, I always have your issues anyway, so I don't know.
That's what I'm saying.
I don't know. Him done bun you already, so I can't continue to bun you already. You know what I'm saying? Smash.
He's fine.
Oh my
The
God.
body.
Listen.
The
He has a
voice.
couple little bits of mental issues or whatever, but
Other than that,
yeah. Cranium?
I'll pass on that one.
Cranium. I'll smash it.
Those fake dreads really
I'll smash cranium. Monga!
It's a mocha.
Pass.
Ladies.
Pass.
Wife on the dead dog to me. Pass.
Oh my gosh. Okay, then we have QQ.
Every girl I wanna do they want.
Pass.
Yeah, I was about to put some.
I was like, what are you doing?
Pass. Sorry.
Pass.
The little perm you have hanging in the front.
Pass.
Needs to go.
Pass. And then last but not least, Golly Bop.
Yes, man.
Just kidding. Sorry guys, battery died. But yeah, as I was saying, Gully Bob. What I for pass from Gully Bob? Gully Bob there too. Me no know how people get past the teeth thing, you know. Me no know because me have to kiss you. If your mouth no look hygienic, it mouth just look like it pink. No offense, but
It does. No.
pass. Sorry.
No, if answer but pass.
Sorry, like sorry. So there you go, guys. There you have it.
Yes.
I hope I'm still in a relationship after this video. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this is just false, you know, false stuff. You know,
Yeah,
this
it's not
is
real.
just, you know, if I really had a crush or whatever, if I meet them or anything, it's not like I would really,
Smash.
you know, smash them or anything.
Just, you know, I can look. Yeah.
Why, but anyways, thank you guys so much for stopping by again. Yeah, if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video from me. Like, comment down below, let me know who you guys would smash, who you guys would pass,
Let us know.
and I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, before you guys go, her link will be in the description box below. Don't forget to go over to her channel and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.